equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean workspace. First, power off your HP 14 laptop and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the keyboard connector, which is usually situated near the top of the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris from the internal area using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain the performance of your laptop. Now, gently disconnect the keyboard cable by lifting the locking tab on the connector. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Once the cable is disconnected, you can remove the old keyboard. This may involve unscrewing additional screws that hold the keyboard in place. Keep track of these screws, as you will need them for the new keyboard installation. After removing the old keyboard, take your new keyboard and align it with the mounting points. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it fits snugly and there are no gaps. Next, reconnect the keyboard cable by sliding it back into the connector and pressing down the locking tab to secure it. It's essential to ensure that the connection is firm to avoid any issues later on. Before reassembling the laptop, it's a good idea to test the new keyboard. Power on your laptop and check if all keys are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision. If everything is working well, power off the laptop again and replace the back panel. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the keyboard on your HP 14 laptop. If you have any doubts or prefer not to tackle this yourself, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional services. We are here to help with no calls, no travel, just a simple solution to your laptop issues. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.